Okay, boss. Now we'll have to focus on hierarchy variable, boss. So when you say hierarchy variable, when do we use it? Say for example, I have a characteristic called customer, and we have built hierarchy in the back end. But let's say there are multiple hierarchies built on the characteristic customer, and I would like to give flexibility to the user to select any particular hierarchy for the display. Then I can go with hierarchy variables. For example, if you see, I just removed the old one and then placed new characteristic. So I'm trying to bring out a characteristic which has got hierarchies in the back end. Yeah. done. Let's say I've got customer key. It is not refreshed, it is still showing the old structure. So if I select customer, and do you display hierarchies here? Go to hierarchy tab and then you're going to select which hierarchy you want. There are 3 hierarchies built in the back end. You can go about selecting any hierarchy you want, but I don't want to fix any particular hierarchy here. I would like to allow dynamic selection from the user. Then I'll say what? Hierarchy variable, and then you start creating a variable. What variable is this? So this is the only place where you can create your hierarchy variables. Instead of fixing an hierarchy on the characteristic, dynamically I would like to allow the user to select which hierarchy he wants, country wise or which hierarchy he wants. So that is where we go with hierarchy variables. And this comes with 3 processing types: customer exit, user entry, customer exit, and SAP exit. No authorizations and no replacement path also. And majority of the case it will be with user entry, where user would choose which hierarchy he wants for the display, or there could be also a scenario where you say customer exit also. And SAP exit is for business content variables. So let's see about user entry now. So I select this customer and I go for the hierarchy tab and hierarchy selection. Instead of choosing hierarchy name, I'll say what? Hierarchy variables. Say create new. You can select here whether single value, optional is all the same. This is the one. Okay, instead of fixing hierarchy, I've passed on my hierarchy variable here. Make sure you get this entry here. Yeah. Now I select hierarchy, then it starts showing those 3 hierarchies: manual, country, customer type. I'll select what? Let's say I want it on the customer type, and you get to see this. అట్లా నువ్వు ఏ హైరార్కీ సెలెక్ట్ చేస్తే రన్ టైంలో హైరార్కీ బిల్డ్ అవుతుంది అంతే. ఓకే బస్ ఫైన్. Then same thing I would like to go with what? Customer exit. Customer exit through ABAP code you're going to pass my hierarchy variable. So hierarchy variable ki coding ela rayalo naaku teliyadu. I don't know. So what I'll do? You can go to smod display of the enhancement. What is the enhancement we use? దీంట్లోకి వెళ్ళి డాక్యుమెంటేషన్ కొట్టి డిస్ప్లే కొడితే ఇట్ టెల్ యూ క్లియర్ శాంపుల్ కోడింగ్ ఫర్ హైరార్కీకి అన్నిటికి ఒక్కొక్కదానికి ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఉంటుంది. ఇఫ్ యూ గో డౌన్ చూడు hierarchy variable sample in the clear structure. For the low, put into what? Your hierarchy name, sign I equal to append ante. అంటే through coding you're going to pass the hierarchy name. So you're going to pass the hierarchy name to what? Low value. Other logic. So what I'll select this customer hierarchy. I want to create an hierarchy variable now. I've given I've sorry. What is the processing table select? Do you have an option called replacement path here? Nothing. Now should I go to back and start implementing the logic? Where? SC37. I'll go to function exit. I'll go and include a program. Then say what? Change, and I'll start writing my logic. When my variable name L underscore T underscore range sign I want to pass in as how do I decide my hierarchy name? I have to go to RS7, give the hierarchy technical name. Yeah. So go to the info object. What is this? Give technical names. Which hierarchy you want? I want to give it as country. Okay. Give hierarchy technical name. That's all. Then append L underscore T underscore range to E underscore. So hierarchy variable hierarchy name low like system I equal to L underscore T underscore range kada. Correct edamo? Okay. See, the hierarchy variable is getting filled with this hierarchy and then country wise. Okay, Nana, done. This way you can go with hierarchy variables here.